15 wild animals we captured on camera. Rattlesnake.
A rattlesnake can strike in less than half a second, faster than the human eye can react.
Black widow spider.
The black widow's venom is up to 15 times stronger than a rattlesnake's.
Scorpion.
Some scorpions can control how much venom they inject depending on the threat.
Lion.
Lions can see up to 6 times better than humans in the dark.
Crocodile.
Crocodiles have one of the strongest bite forces in the animal kingdom.
Wolf.
Wolves can detect prey from over a mile away using their sense of smell.
Tiger.
Tigers can silently stalk prey for long distances without being noticed.
Bear.
Bears can run as fast as a horse despite their massive size.
Shark.
Sharks can detect a drop of blood in the water from miles away.
Gorilla.
Gorillas are incredibly strong and can lift up to 10 times their body weight.
Leopard.
Leopards often drag their prey into trees to avoid other predators.
Elephant.
Elephants can recognize threats and may charge without warning.
Eagle.
Eagles can spot prey from several kilometers away.
Wild boar.
Wild boars can be extremely aggressive and charge at high speed.
Anaconda.
Anacondas kill by constricting their prey, cutting off blood flow.